Introducing the Clematis Montana class. One of my favourites from the late spring garden is Clematis Montana Mayleen. With soft pink blooms and pale yellow centres, not only are they a delightful addition to your garden, but they can also be easily recreated from sugar, making them a perfect filler flower for decorating cakes. As with all of my online classes, each stage of the process is broken down into easy to follow step-by-step videos. From making your own flower paste, forming the pistil and stamen, creating delicate petals, and dusting and assembling for a realistic finish. I have also included PDF cheat sheets and guides with links to the tools that I use, and you now have access to a class community where you can ask me any questions, connect with other students, or just share your beautiful creations. The class is also accessible from the ZENLER app, so you can now access all of my classes and community from your mobile or tablet.